Welcome to Rush. Rush helps you create viral videos that generate tons of traffic from YouTube or Facebook or wherever you publish them by tapping into the human curiosity and entertainment habits. Rush lets you create 3 different kinds of video: code videos, GIF animated videos, and viral videos. And then once you've created these videos, you can generate traffic using our 30+ different traffic networks. To create a video, you click on Codes Videos. Your first slide, as you can see, is already created. To add another slide, you click on plus icon and another slide will automatically be created. So on, you can create as many slides as you want. Then you can change how long you want the slide to be. You can change the code in the slide from over 500,000 different codes. You can search from the library. You can change the position of the codes. You can change the font style. You can add font color, background color, add opacity, add blur effect on the background, remove that, increase or decrease font size, upload your own background image or video, or search for a background image or video from my library. Once you're done customizing, click on next and you can add a watermark or logo to your video. Once you've done adding a watermark or logo and positioning it, you can add a background music, voiceover, or text to speech. Rush comes packed with over 100 different voiceovers, languages, and accents that you can pick from and automatically generate voiceovers for your video. And finally, you can render it as high definition or full high definition MP4 that you can download or upload on YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, Meta Cafe, wherever you feel like. Same way, you can create an animated GIF video. Simply click on GIF videos here, enter what kind of GIF video you want, enter the number of slides you want, click next, and Rush will automatically create these videos for you. Now these slides are created for you. If you want, you can add text, position the text, add blur effect, change the font type, font color, whatever you want. And same way, you can add your logo, voiceover, text to speech, whatever you want. And final one is viral video. Viral video is where Rush sources copyright-free videos from YouTube that are trending. So if you type a keyword, how many videos you want, click on next, you will find top 3 videos about the keyword that you can then trim based on the amount you want to use in your video to create. Put them all together, add your text, position them, add font color, font type, font background, add a blur effect, add watermark, logo, text to speech, and voiceover. Once you're done, you simply render and your video will be ready to download on the dashboard. Once your video is ready, you can share it on YouTube or Facebook right from inside Rush dashboard. Once your video is uploaded on YouTube, you can go into Traffic Generator and paste your YouTube URL here. Once you paste your YouTube or pretty much any URL, you click on next and you can share this URL on over 30 different traffic networks to start generating seed traffic to help your video go viral. This is how Rush works. It's pretty straightforward and the easiest way to generate thousands of visitors from your videos.